Let me on. I want back on. I want on. Fine. Mom kicked me out, no reason. I left like 4 dishes on the counter and she threw me out to this place. It's just great. I don't care. Hello. Hi. I'm Crunk Buddy. And that's not, no, my bad. I'm Crunk and I don't mean it as a slur, because that is bad. I just like raccoons. If you read my description, you'd know that, but who does that anymore, you know? Yeah. Okay. Grabbing all the stuff. Making a teardown video. Starting a channel. This is gonna be fun. And turn on the power. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I think I'm gonna make a little series, and this is gonna be the first episode of it, of course. This is gonna be the Teardown episode 1. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. Teardown episode 1. Here we go. Gas just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure if we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. Okay. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it?
Good evening, my name is Golden Roo, General Manager at the Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I'd need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I'd even be willing to pay more than standard rate for some extra discretion, quick execution, and uncomfortable working hours. Would you be able to take care of it?
Yes, I can take care of it. Old building problem. Too tall? No! Eh. Last one. And now, it's good, but it's not good enough, obviously. I gotta break it all down. Let's just get rid of all of it. That's what we gotta do. I got kicked out of the house. I can't do this. I can't live with no money. My mom not only is her bills low and everything, but maybe if I do this for her, she'll let me back in the house. Or I'll just start my own business. Yeah. Okay. I know what I have to do. Yeah! Woo! Ah! Ah! Come on. Ah! Come on. Come on. Plow the building. Get rid of it all. Ah. Yes. Discreet? Sure. Yeah, that's discreet. No one in this whole area heard that. I'm sure they didn't. Let's go. Who needs alarms, am I right? Ooh, I didn't even... That's the saddest blanket I've ever seen. Cot? Dude, when am I gonna get a real bed and stuff? Da 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 da. Investigation. What a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Turbine at the police station just sent me this photo. You know, that's... If they were thinking about that being me, that can't be me, because I don't even... own a car anywhere like that. The LTS, that doesn't stand for my name. No. You wanna know why? That can't be me, because I don't have a car that looks like that. Yeah. I don't even have a car. So that honestly, it just couldn't been me. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just can't be me. They must have caught not me on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried sweet talking to her and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. Trust me, Mom, I don't think they're gonna find any evidence. Even if that could be me, it's not me. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. Just so you know, I usually don't do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in this town, I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers at Lee Chemicals, and I can finally access his computer registry and sort this mess out. If you do this for me, I'll make sure not your little blunder will be forgotten. I don't know what you're talking about. That's just... I made no blunder at all. Just blaming it on me. Wow. Oh, that's just weird. How did that get here? Oh well. Oh well. We're gonna just walk right in. I don't think she said keep the destruction to a minimal, so I'm just gonna kind of, you know. Yeah, let me just computer. Bam! Free door. Okay. 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 Easy. Easy. Just gotta... I locked the door. Okay. Holy crap, what in the... Well, okay. Oh! Okay. Carefully. Now I got an idea. Perfect entrance. Perfect. Just amazing. Okay. Is there cash? Yeah! Oh, a dumper in here, huh? Ha! Ooh. Good Life by Enid Colonadums. Another one. West Point Maria by Enid Colonadums. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Oh, what's this? Oh! Hidden cash. I didn't even know that was there. Another painting. 50 Shades of Capitalism by Christine Strabach. Did I open it? Yeah. Okay. Here we are. I know that there's this right here because I've played this game before, but I haven't played too far past a certain part. Electric screwdriver. Make a hole. Tools. Get in here. I can just kind of. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay, let me up. Carefully. Up. Up. Computer. Done. All done. Open this up. Jump through. Perfection. I'm gonna explore a little bit more because I know there's some more cash. I just don't know exactly where. Like that could have been something, but it wasn't. Up here? Is there a hidden cache up there or something? I don't know. I've never really looked around a whole lot. Okay. I think I'm fine, honestly. Let's just get out of here. I really don't know how this got here. I don't even own a vehicle. I just must have found the keys or something. I don't know. Let's see it. This isn't American. Or in English. Okay! Login devices. The customer's registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT, like E.T. the alien, and no further details. So I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. I should be able to cross the references in their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they are moving the product and what BT means. I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Thought that could stop me. Hold on. First, is there anything up here? No. Kenny Ho! Okay. Let's make a little park. Make a little watchtower out there. Huh? Yeah, good idea. Oh no, we got a break-in. Man, we should probably lock those gates now, huh? Yeah. We'll make sure to keep a ladder over here so when someone breaks in, they'll be able to have an easy way to get in and out, huh? They're really smart, aren't they? They're at Lee Chemicals. Just the smartest people I know. What we'll do is we'll start here, and we'll go over to here. I think we can just go right across from there. Grabbed it. Hop out of a window, or like go back down there into the car. Okay. This is the first one. If does that okay, hold on. Testing. Ooh. Titanium screwdriver. Carefully go up here. Make a little hole. Ouch. It does. So I'm gonna start off here. I grab it, run over. I can jump up here. That's breakable. That's not. Oh well. I jump to here. Let me just. We can have this be a hole. Make a hole there, and then I can run right on out to the thingy, okay? Bum 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 bum. Oh, that did not work out very good. Like, can I just... Okay. Well, I can get out of there. That's good. Let me just run back up to here. And grab it, run, jump into here, through this hole, run up here. I can run onto here. So, there's a little thingy here. Hold on, can I just like... Yes, okay. I'm gonna break a hole right here. And make it a little entrance here. So I run out of there, run up here, jump into here, grab this. I never really planned it out all that much. I kind of used mods. Don't be mad at me. I'm not doing that for this playthrough though, okay? Only to goof around with. Okay. Jump. Run across here. Jump up here. Jump. Hello. Jump up here. Jump down. Grab it. Jump through this window. Down onto this. And ride right to the car. Okay, perfect. Quick save. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right over here. Jump into the hole. Perfect. Okay, run across here. Woo! Oh my god. Amazing. Right up here. Grab that one. Oh my god, flawless. I'm the best. You're the worst. Bye, Lee Chemicals. Let's go. Flawless! New rank. New tool has been delivered, huh? Blowtorch. Smiley face. Wait. Smiley face. What? That wasn't me. I didn't break the gate. Or make a hole there. I did last time. Okay, one more mission. We're gonna do one more. Need coffee. They turned off the gas. I can't even make proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Mom.
Oh, Golden Woo. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a bit, but it seems to have cooled off for now, and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the boat says there's no space for a new dock. Could you use your demolition skills and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also appears, then ta-da, like it was never there.
Making space. This is gonna be a breeze. Not see what we have to do. I forgot what we have to do on this one. Destroy there, and there's a safe in there. Okay. Let's take this little beanmobile. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, I finally have a big enough map to drive a car around. Whoops. Okay, go up here. Holy crap. Ooh, valuable. Wait, hold on. I forgot to search the house for valuables. Whoa. I'm sure it's fine now. Just gotta break off these little bits and pieces here, and yeah! Okay, I'm driving this. This is really slow at turning. Oh my god. Oh, I even brought a little souvenir. Oh no. Okay, never mind. No souvenirs for me. Is there... Not really. Okay, I can drive that car over there. And then... Oh yeah, there's that safe. I think I have to just dump in the water. I really don't remember. This might feel new through the whole thing. I know there's money in here. In this building somewhere. Valuables. Oh. Wow. Decorative swordfish, $30. Nice. Check all the... Oh. That's also a safe. Okay. Simple. Make a hole. Right. Okay. Wait, hold on. Make just a big hole for it to fall down. Oh my god. You dive by it because it's a huge safe and you just crushed yourself with it. Bam! That's the end. Alright. Okay. Make a bigger area. You just gotta drag it out now. come on, all this crap in the way. Get away. Trying to steal a safe and throw it in a harbor. Come on! Oh my gosh. Times like this really make me wish I had the gravity gun. Oh, come on. Come on. We're getting there. There cannot be anything in its way. Well, what's in its way now? Nothing. Oh my god. Okay, now when you dump something, you gotta be thorough about it, you know? You can't have it be just like off the coast, because then someone's just gonna find it somewhere out there and break into it. So you gotta dump it correctly. What I like to do, let's go to this other one right here, is I like to go and do it simple and easy. Just get it on. Hold on a minute. Just get it onto a boat. And I think the safe is just in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the one of the big ones. Okay. Get it, and ah! Okay, good. And now we bring it out as far as we can. And you know, usually I would just say, well, this isn't as far as I can. Usually I would just say we dump it, but I want a more explosive send-off, and I could dump it, but that wouldn't be very fun, wouldn't it? Okay, see you in a second. Bam! We're at the dock. Okay. Any last words? The safe is... What? English, please? I'm tired, okay? Beautiful. Very beautiful. And now we have a quick way to get back to the... Bob. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my god. We just drove right through the boat. Yeah. Oh. Patching a hole in my roof? Okay. Ooh! I forget about the progress that you slowly make. I haven't played this in a little while. Yes! Kablamo! 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 Okay, sweet. Upgrade in the computer terminal. I am now going to leave it off there. I hope you enjoyed this teardown video. There will be more soon. But right now, I think this was a very good first episode. I really gotta get a new bed. I thought this was new way sooner. Alright. Goodbye, and I will see you next time. What?